Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Acorns. First, download the Acorns app from your preferred app store. Once installed, you will choose the type of investment account that best suits your financial goals, whether it's for general investing, retirement, or even for your children. Next, you'll provide some basic personal details, including your name and address. Finally, link a funding source, like your checking account, to begin your investment journey. Funding your Acorns account is straightforward and flexible. You can activate roundups, which automatically invests the spare change from your debit or credit card purchases, rounding up to the nearest dollar. Additionally, set up recurring deposits, choosing to invest a fixed amount daily, weekly, or monthly. For larger contributions, one-time deposits are an excellent option. Don't forget to check out Acorns Earn for opportunities to get bonus investments from various brands. Acorns simplifies investing by offering 5 diversified portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive. Your choice should align with your personal risk tolerance and long-term financial objectives. The app will guide you through a few simple questions to recommend the best portfolio for you. These portfolios are built using exchange-traded funds, or ETF, which provide broad exposure to different asset classes like stocks and bonds, helping to diversify your investments. Managing your Acorns account is easy and intuitive. You can regularly monitor your portfolio's performance directly within the app, observing how your investments are growing over time. Feel free to adjust your recurring deposits or roundups whenever your financial situation changes. Explore other valuable features, such as Acorns Later, designed for retirement savings. When you need to access your funds, you can initiate a withdrawal, keeping in mind any potential tax considerations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.